To make a bun, first brush your hair to get out any tangles. Then pull all your hair back to where you want the bun to go. Make sure to grab any stray strands, unless you want your bangs to hang loose and frame your face. Use one hand to wrap a hair tie twice around your hair. Now wrap the hair tie around one more time, but don't pull your hair all the way through the band. Instead, leave about a third of your hair hanging free as a tail. The rest should look like a loop in the upper part of the ponytail. Take the hanging tail of hair and circle it around the hair tie. Then secure it with a few bobby pins. Finally, part the remaining loop of hair down the center and pull the two sides toward your head to pin in place. For a messier look, try pulling out little pieces of hair and pinning them in other directions. You can also spritz your hair with hairspray so the style lasts longer.